Hello everyone, welcome to my another unboxing video. This Thanksgiving week, Black Friday week, I purchased a couple of items from Amazon, and this is one of them. This is a flashlight, rechargeable. I bought it before. I really like it. I uh, uh, put it in my car. I needed another one to put in the garage for some look, and this is a different color, silver color. um, and this is a small manual. Really oh, sorry. And this is a shape of this. As I said, I bought it before, the black one. This, I really like it. I mostly I put it in my car, and this one I need another one for using in the garage. Put it in my toolbox. Really kind of needed item. Now this, I think battery need to be removed, and this is a zoomable. Can zoom it in and out. Can zoom it in and out. And say, what they say here? Say twist the seal, then pull down. Yeah, there should be the seal here. Let's see the battery here. It has a battery here. Yeah, see the seal. It has a seal. It has a seal for battery. Let me put it here. Oh, very interesting. Now let's show you this has a long battery, rechargeable battery, but also this can use, instead of this, you can use what's this kind of oily, make my hand. I don't know, this is oil or, let me put some. I don't know, this is oil or something, leaking battery. Okay, let's put this here, and yeah, looks like it's working. Like all of this is a flash. I hate this feature of the flashlights. This is high and this is low, and zoomable. See, you can zoom this by twisting this. You can zoom this. Nice little flashlight, very small. You can put it in your pocket or shirts pocket, like the pen, exactly like a little bigger pencil pen. this very good tool, especially good flashlight, especially if you work in the car or doing some garage, some mechanical stuff. This, I think, handy. And for, say, the twist and seal down for, yeah, we should be like this. Yeah, seal is here. Here, they unfortunately this still using the USB, this type of the USB, micro USB, not the newer USB Type C, but that's okay, not big deal. The body is aluminum. Some people complaining that this bottom here that failing, that means this rubber part is torn. Previous one I'm using for more than 1 year, almost 2 years now, but I didn't have any problem with this. Overall is not bad in my opinion. Okay, for especially the good thing is you can recharge it, or you can use the 2 small battery, size AAA 3A battery. 3A battery, use a small one as stated here in this. See, 2 3A battery, or instead of this you can use swap between the included rechargeable battery or 2 standard 3A battery. Yeah. All right. Okay, I hope this video kind of helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Until next video.